Welcome to the organic writing process. I'm Ingo, and today I would like to introduce myself and to introduce the writing process, the organic writing process. And it deals with the question, how can you craft a story simply out of nothing, without planning, plotting or outlining. I call myself a writer for several years now. And in the beginning I had great difficulties to finish a story. I started a script, I got stuck, I move on to the next project, I started a novel, I got stuck, and so on and so on. So, I started to study the writing process. I went to the library and I read almost every book I could get on creative writing. And they had all great tips and tricks and tools and techniques, and they told you something about how to structure a story, or how to write a dialogue, or how to develop your character, and all great information. But all that didn't help me just to get the first draft done. That's what I wanted. And then I came across there are different types of writers. There are the outliners, and there are also discovery writers. And Stephen King is one of these discovery writers. And that makes something, as I thought, oh, I don't have to plan and structure all in advance. I can just move on, write the story, and do the planning and plotting, and then afterwards. And I realized, well, that's the way for me to write a story. And so I looked further. I looked, are there any techniques or tools or tricks that will help me just to get this first draft done out of the subconsciousness? And I found a little bit piece of there and a little bit piece there. And but there wasn't just a book where everything is in it. So I decided to do this podcast to gather all this information I have and present it to you, so you can use the power of the subconsciousness to write a story. And that's what I call the organic writing process, because I think myself as a gardener of the story. So I help the story to grow and to evolve. And afterwards, when it's grown, I can do the cutting and give it a shape. And I hope you enjoy this process, and see you next time.